So first we add some butter.
We're browning the butter now.
Now adding the orzo, 1 cup orzo pasta, and you need to stir them or else it will become brown. We are frying this orzo pasta to get that aroma. Need to get that nutty flavor. Now we are adding chicken stock, or you can add vegetable stock, whatever you want. So for 1 cup orzo pasta, I've added 3/4 of the chicken stock from the can of 14 ounce. Now in another pan, we are adding again some butter. And some garlic. And give it the quick stir. Adding the cooked pasta to this sauce of garlic butter. Give it a stir for like 1 to 2 minutes. Now I am adding some salt. Remember, the butter has already salt in it, so add accordingly. Now I am adding some pepper. Now I am adding lemon, squeeze of lemon. And also adding some lemon zest. And at the last, I am adding some parsley. And turning off the heat. So here we go. Our orzo pasta is ready, and whenever we serve this pasta, we can add some dash of cheese. So the pasta is done. Now while garnishing, we can add some breaded cheese.